Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to share about how to communication between Siemens software TIA version 15.1 to PLC S7-300. Okay, so here is the PLC S7-300 that have DI, it means that digital input, DO, digital output, 2 cards, and AI, analog input, 1 card, and AO, analog output, 1 card. And I will use the TIA software version 15.1 and connect with the PC adapter USB to the CPU. Okay, and here is the CPU 351 2DP, and this is a serial number, and number 2 is the DI serial number, number 3 is DO serial number, and number 5 and number 6 is the AI serial number and AO serial number. Okay, so we need to configure the serial number to be matched with the hardware and software. Okay, so let's go to our software to configure the hardware configuration. Okay, so here is the software TIA Portal version 15.1, yes, that I already installed in my PC. Yes, so let's go to open it. It is the last version of the software 15.1. Yes, so take time a little bit because this software is very big, so take time. Okay, so to create a new project, please create the new project. Example S7-300. Okay, and this is a program that we want to create to. Yes, example I create in the new in the desktop. Yeah, example S7-300 hardware config. Yeah, S7-300 hardware config. So let's go to browse and then choose this software. Yes, here, and then click OK. And for Azure you can put your name. Yes, and comment. Yes, example we are learning TIA. TIA means that totally integrate automation. Yes, and then click create. Yes, take time a little bit more for this create the project. Okay, so right now we must create the hardware configuration. Follow the slide, right? Follow this one. So we must create the CPU. Yes, create the CPU 351 1 dp. Okay, so create the CPU. Let's go to device and network. Yes, or we can use this. Click project view. Yes, and then go to this one. Yes, right click and then add new device, or just here, and then double click. Yes, and go to the controller. Here is we have HMI, PC systems, and a controller. For HMI and PC system, it a lot of type that we can use. Yes, for right now we create the CPU hardware, right? So go to the CPU S7-300, because right now we configure the 300 PLC, and go to the CPU. I will screenshot this one to here, easy to understand. Yes, CPU 3152AH. Yes, 3152AH, right? 2AH 15, sorry, 14. Yes, so let's go to 315. Yes, 2AH13, this one, right? So click OK, and this is the version. We can compare with the version on the nameplate of the PLC. Yes, okay. Right now I choose the version 3.3, and then click OK. Take time a little bit more for create the CPU. Okay, right now the CPU here. Yes, and then in the next step we create the I/O, right? For DI, DO, and AI and AO, right? So let's go to create the DI. For DI, please mention the part number. Yes, here is the part number of DI 3211BH02, right? 1BH02. Let's go to here and then find. Yes, 1BH02, right? This one. So we can drag and drop this one to the slot. Yes, okay. And the next step, we must create the DO, right? Here is the DO, digital output 3221HH01. Okay, so let's go to DO and then find 1HH, right? Go to 1HH. Yes, here 3221HH01. Okay, so make sure it's the same, the nameplate, otherwise when we download it will error. Yes, so we will choose here and drag and drop again. Yes, for slot number 6 is the same, right? Here is the same. Yes, so drag and drop one more for output. It has 2 cards. And for slot number 7 for AI, right? For analog input, So analog input, here is the part number, so 311-7KF02. Okay, so let's go to find the AI, and then go to again 7KF02, right? To find 7KF, this one KB KF02. Okay, this one. So drag and drop to the backplane. Okay, and the last one for slot number 8. So slot number 8 is the analog output. Okay, so 33258F00, 58F00. Okay, so go to AO and then go to 58F00, right? Okay, here 58F00. So drag and drop to the backplane again. Yes. Okay, so right now we already add the CPU and the IOs. Yes, so save our project, and then I will connect the USB adapter. Yes, connect this one from my computer to the PLC. Okay, so let's connect it. Okay, I will connect it. Okay, and let's go to check, make sure we already connect the USB adapter from PLC to our PC. So let's go to check the device manager and go here, Simatic Net, and then this one. Yes, this is my USB adapter. Okay, so let's go to config, continue. Yes, for the CPU. Yes, and here is the digital input, here is the digital output. Yes, okay, right now let download our configuration to the PLC. So go to tab download. Yes, first we go to online first. Yeah, online, and then select yes MPI. Yeah, because we use USB MPI adapter, and this is a driver. Yes, this is a MPI type A2. Yes, and then start search. It will search automatically from our PC to the PLC. Okay, take a moment. Okay, right now the computer found one CPU that connected via MPI USB. Yes, address number 2, and this PLC name. Yes, PLC 1. So let's go to go online. Yes, okay, right now we already online successfully. And then let's go to offline again, because we test the USB between PLC and our computer, okay or not. Okay, so let's go to download. Yeah, click here, button here. Yes, it downloading, and then it will stop all because we just download hardware configuration. Yes, so load the program, it will stop the CPU. Yes, finish, and then we restart our CPU. Yes, so right now the CPU is running. Okay, I will show the status. so I will download again, because when we download, the CPU will stop. Yes. Okay. You see, right now the CPU is running. Yes. Okay, let stop the. Let download. Yes, download again. You see the CPU. Yes. The CPU is stopped right now. See. Yes. Okay, finish. And then the CPU will restart after download. Yes. Okay, so right now we already download configuration successfully. Okay, so let's go to create the new program for test. Okay, let's go to program blocks. Yes, and then go to the main blocks. Yes, for address. Okay, I will show the address a little bit. Yes, so here is the input. It will start from address. Go double click to see the address. Yes, IO address here. Start from I0. Yes, and earn 1. Yes, it 16 bit. So start from I0.0. Yes. Yes, you see I0.0 until I7.1. For DO, it will start from Q4. Yes, start from Q4 0.1. Sorry, 4.0. Yes, and then earn 5.7. Okay, and for DO slot number 6, it will start from 8.0 and earn 9.7. Okay, so the input, analog input and output is the same. It has only 8 points. Yes, start from version IW 304 until IW 318. Okay, for digit analog output, it will start from QW 320 until earn QW 334. Okay, so let's start create the new program. Yes. Okay, example, I would like to create one button for stop, one button for start, and this is output. Yes, and also create the whole contact. Yes, like this. Okay, for example, I start from version yes, 0.0. Yes, and this one 0.1, and this one we will start from Q, right? Q number, slot number 5, so start from Q 4.0. Okay, so I will let Q point 4.0 on, 4.0 on, and then this Q 4.0 also. Okay, like this. Okay, so save our project and download to the CPU again. Yes, this one we must override. Yes, because we just create a new program, and then let's online. Yes. So right now you see the CPU is running and the digital output is not on, right? So let me turn on the button for test the digital output. Okay, so let turn on, modify to 1. Modify to 1, right? Q4.0. Q4.0 is not on, right? Let me check. Yes. Okay, right now we already download from our computer to the PLC. So let's test. So if I turn on this one, yes, turn on this switch. So push modify to 1, yes, and let's see the okay, let's see the output. Yes, digital output is on. Yes, for point number 1, yes, it's on right now. So if we would like to stop, yes, we can stop. Modify to 0, modify to 1, and this modify to 0, yes, and this one modify to 0, yes. So if we would like to create one more, yes, we can also create. So I offline first, and then I will choose more for digital output. Yes. Yeah. Go here and then Q 4.1, right? Q 4.2. Yes. One more. Q 4.3. Okay. 3 point. So save our project and re-download again. Yes. Okay, download successfully. So go online and then check the status. Okay. So if I would like to on this for digital output, I just modify this one to 1. Yes. And let's see for digital outputs is on right now. Okay. So I would like to stop. I just modify this one to 1, right? It will stop. Okay. This one to 1 again. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my videos. I will reply soon. Okay, and don't forget support me by like, share, and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos. that I will create step by step. Okay, so I'm so sorry because my English is not so good. So if uh, have any mistake, please, I'm also sorry. Yes, so thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.